Hello everyone, this side Neetu Singh, Assistant Professor of Indraprastha Law College. From this lecture onwards, we are going to discuss about the patent, okay? That is also intellectual property law. In this topic, we are going to discuss that what is patent, the basic things about patent, like what is patent categories, and what is patentable, and patentable items, and how can we apply for patent protection and patent infringement. These are some basic topics about patent law. I am going to give you an kind of introduction thing about patent law. So let's start with the lecture. Yeah, what is patent? You can say that a patent is a right granted to an inventor by the federal government that permits the inventor to exclude others from making, selling, or using the inventions for a period of time. So, the patent system is designed to encourage inventions that are unique and useful to society. Basically, what is a patent? A patent is a right granted to an inventor by the federal government, okay, that permits the inventor to exclude other from making, selling, or using the inventions for a period of time. Patent categories, so there are basically three different kinds of patent. These are utility, design, and plant patents. Okay, what is utility patents? The most common type of patent. These are granted to new machines, chemicals, and processes. Design patent granted to protect the unique appearances or design of manufactured objects, such as the surface ornamentation or overall design of the object. And when we are talking about the plant patents granted for the invention and sexual reproduction of new and distinct plant varieties, including hybrids, okay, and all these things. So utility patent, design patent, and plant patents, these are what patent categories, okay. So when we are going for patent right, then we must know that what is exactly patentable. For an invention to qualify for a patent, it must be both novel and non-obvious. So an invention is novel if it is different from other similar invention, is one or more of its parts. So it also must not have been publicly used, sold, or patented by another inventor. That is clear, okay, with the year of the date the patent application was filed. So this rule reflects the public policy favoring quick disclosure of technological progress. So an invention is non-obvious if someone who is skilled in the field of the invention would consider the invention as an unexpected or surprising development. So a patent cannot be obtained for a mere idea or suggestion. The inventor must have figured out the concrete means of implementing his or her ideas in order to get a patent. So a patent also will not be granted for an invention with no legal purpose or for an unsafe drug in all. So what are the patentable items? We must aware of these things. अगर मैं examples की बात करूँ तो the computer, the software, the hardware, chemical formulas and processes, drugs, medical devices, furniture design, jewelry, fabrics and fabric design, musical instrument, all these things are patentable. So ये कैटेगरीज हैं. ज्वेलरी में बहुत सारी ज्वेलरीज आपकी इंक्लूड होंगी. फर्नीचर डिज़ाइन में यू कैन इंक्लूड ऑल काइंड ऑफ फर्नीचर. मेडिकल डिवाइसेस, जो भी मेडिकल से रिलेटेड डिवाइसेस हैं वो सारे आ जाएंगी. ड्रग्स, जो कि अपने आप में ये बहुत वास्ट एरियाज हैं, तो उन ये सारे ही पेटेंटेबल आइटम हैं. दीज आर द कैटेगरीज ऑफ पेटेंटेबल आइटम्स, ओके. हाँ. अब हाउ कैन वी अप्लाई फॉर पेटेंट प्रोटेक्शन? There is a shortcut process of patent protection which I already given you in the notes. That is Unlike a copy, you can say that unlike a copyright, a patent does not arise automatically. Please remember this thing. Unlike a copyright, a patent does not arise automatically. An inventor must apply for a patent. अपने आप से नहीं मिलेगा. You must apply for a patent. The inventor must apply within 1 year of publicly disclosing the invention, such as by publishing a description of the invention or offering it for sale. So an inventor or his or her attorney generally makes a preliminary patent search before applying for a patent to determine if it is feasible to proceed with the application. So the application and a fee are submitted to the US Patent and Trademark Office, where it is reviewed by a patent. US का means ये particularly in your, if you are talking about India, तो India office obviously. So if a patent is granted, next step, the inventor must pay another fee and the government publishes a description of the invention and its use. So utility and plant patents last for 20 years from the application date. Design patents last for 14 years. If the owner of a utility patent does not pay maintenance fees, the patent will expire earlier. These are the things. Patent infringement कब होगा? Obviously patent infringement कब होगा? That if an inventor thinks someone has used his or her patented invention without permission, he or she may bring a lawsuit against the infringer. If the court agrees, it may award the patent holder cost, attorney's fees, damages in an amount equal to a reasonable royalty and an injunction. So an action for infringement can be time consuming and costly. So infringement cases often are settled. Infringement कब होगा? जब एक इन्वेंटर को ऐसा लगेगा कि उसके पेटेंटेड इन्वेंशन को किसी और ने यूज किया है, तो वो उसके अगेंस्ट लॉसूट फाइल करेगा और कोर्ट अग्री करेगा. अगर अग्री हो जाता है तो ही विल गेट द कॉस्ट, अटॉर्नीज फीस, डैमेज, सब कुछ उसे मिलेगा. सो बेसिकली क्या होता है, जो इन्फ्रिंजमेंट है वो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है उसका सारा प्रोसेस और बहुत महंगा है. सो जो इन्फ्रिंजमेंट केसेस होते हैं वो जनरली आपके सेटल कर लिए जाते हैं. सेटलमेंट में आपका कम अमाउंट में, कम टाइम में चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाती हैं. सो what we discussed today, that is what is exactly patent, patent categories कौन सी हैं, these are 3, and what is patentable, what is exactly the patentable items, हम अप्लाई कैसे करते हैं पेटेंट प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, और पेटेंट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट कैसे होता है, और उसके लिए हमें फिर प्रोसेस क्या है उसका, किस तरीके से उन सारे केसेस को सेटल किया जाता है. So this is a basic information about the patent law. In next lectures we are going to elaborate all these particular topics. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you so much. We'll continue in our next lecture with the new topic.